Videos are a marketing tool you'll be thankful you have after you've created them. They can live on your website, on your social media, on YouTube, giving people an idea of how you can work with them even if it's in the middle of the night. But getting your team, your boss, or yourself motivated to create them, that's another story. Today I want to talk about some simple, really actionable ways you can use video right now. And then you may be able to see the value in putting in all that effort. If you get stuck, I have a Getting Started with Video guide you can download. Click the link in the description below to download it, or you can go to cheryltanmedia.com/video resources and get it there. Why is it so important to create videos for your business these days? Well, people will go online to learn about you before they decide to work with you, certainly before they get inside the car to go to your store or visit your office. A video is your calling card. It gives prospective customers a way to meet you before they decide to take that next step. If you're creating videos for your business already, please post a link to your favorite ones in the comments below. I'd love to see them. Whether you are new to videos or you already use them in your marketing, I hope you'll find the following ideas helpful. Video type number 1, a welcome video. You can create these for your Facebook page, for IGTV, for LinkedIn, for your blog. You can also create a welcome video you send in an email to new customers and clients. What goes inside a welcome video? Well, this video sets the stage. It gives your audience an idea of who you are, but more importantly, who would benefit from what you're offering and what the audience can expect from you. I have a couple of frameworks I use when creating these types of videos. One of them is this, and it's very, very simple. I start out with a greeting. I let people know who I am. I let them know who they are, that they're in the right place, as well as what they'll get when they come back. In my intro video for my YouTube channel, for example, here's what I could say. Welcome to my channel. I'm Cheryl Tan. I'm a speaker and a consultant. Video is the in thing these days, but so many people struggle with where to get started. And that's where I come in. I help you be the best you on camera, whether you're an entrepreneur, an expert, an author, or an organization that's trying to stand out in a competitive field. I show you how to use video to be the go-to person in your industry. Look for video strategies every week here on my channel. If I can answer any questions, feel free to schedule a call. You can do that at cheryltanmedia.com/consultation. See, you can create a video like this as well. The first assignment for anyone who takes my video bootcamp is to create an introduction video, a welcome video. Students get to know each other, they rip the Band-Aid off and create a video right away, and the video itself focuses on how you can help your audience. So for you, rip the Band-Aid off and create that welcome video. Video type number 2, behind the scenes. You don't always have to be the one facing the camera to create a compelling video. You can show people what happens in the background of your business. Are you working on something exciting, a new product offering, a new event that will bring your community together, a new class? Well, give people a sneak peek. Take them behind the scenes of what you're creating. Turn the camera on and just talk about what you're seeing. For example, I have taken people along with me for my video shoots when I have videographers, producers, professional cameras, and lights joining me. And people really do enjoy the chance to see what happens behind the scenes. And finally, video number 3, interview a client. This may be my favorite way to create a video because it involves not just you. You can bring along someone else, a client, a customer, a student. This type of video allows me to exercise my natural curiosity. I get to ask a client all about the work we did together, the results they received, what they learned. And it's a great way to not only give the audience a look at what it's like to work with you, essentially it's a testimonial. I have a whole playlist of these types of videos on my YouTube channel. So here's what you do. Pick up the phone, call your favorite client, arrange a Zoom meeting, and make sure you tell this person the interview will be recorded. And then you have a conversation on camera. Ask your student about his or her business, the results your student received from your program or services, and how things are going in their business right this minute. Do this with a few clients and you'll learn so much about yourself, your clients, and you'll have testimonials that you can use in the future. To recap, these are the 3 types of videos you can create once and have them working for you while you do something else in your business. It's a welcome video, a behind the scenes look in your business type video, and interviews with clients, otherwise known as testimonial videos. If you're creating videos for your business already, post a link to your favorite ones in the comments below. I'd love to see them. If you have any questions about this, please post that question below as well. And if you need more support, grab my Getting Started with Video guide. The link to get it is in the description below. In my next video, I'll answer the question, how do you know it's time to work with an outside video marketing strategist? I'll see you in the next video.